สวัสดีค่ะ welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today's recipe we are making ข้าวคลุกกะปิ or shrimp paste fried rice. Now I know shrimp paste might not be for everyone yet. The smell is definitely it, but the taste is salty and umami. In this dish, we're just going to use the shrimp paste with the fried rice, and then we're going to prepare some condiments to eat with. And there will be many flavors and textures in one bite. To make it easy to follow, I'll divide the recipe into 3 parts. The first part is the fried rice, the second part is the caramelized pork, and the third part is the condiments. Well, even though the caramelized pork is one part of the condiments too, but there are some extra steps to prepare it. So if you're already familiar with the shrimp paste or ready to take an adventure, let's do it. Shrimp paste fried rice. We are only using 3 ingredients. First, the steamed rice. Like the other fried rice, the best rice to use is the leftover. If you don't have leftover rice, it's fine. Just make sure your rice is completely cool or leave in the fridge for a while before cooking, so the fried rice won't be clumpy. Then we need shrimp paste or gapi and some garlic. So we're gonna chop the garlic. Add a couple tablespoons vegetable oil in a wok or pan, whatever you want to use. Add the chopped garlic. Don't need to wait until the oil is hot because it'll burn easily. And now we're gonna stir until it smells nice. Then add the shrimp paste. Mix well until it's combined. Then add a little bit of water. So now we're kind of having the shrimp paste sauce for the rice. Then add a cup of steamed rice. Keep frying until mixed well. And that's it. Now we are going to make caramelized pork, or what we call mu wan, which means sweet pork in Thai. We're gonna use pork belly, can also use tenderloin or other parts, but trust me, pork belly is the best to make mu wan. Shallots, palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use brown sugar instead. Light soy sauce and sweet black soy sauce. First, peel and slice the shallots thinly. We are going to need around 10 grams of sliced shallot to cook with the pork, and some amount for the condiment, depends on how much you love fresh shallot. And palm sugar, we're going to need around 1 tablespoon of it. The thick block of palm sugar like this, shaving thinly, will make it easier to melt when cooking. Pork belly, 150 grams, cut into the bite size. Can be a little bigger than the bite size because it will shrink a bit when it's cooked. And here we go, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the sliced shallot and kind of saute it in medium heat until it starts to be transparent or gives off the nice smell. Add the pork belly. I love to leave the pork on for about a minute or 2 before flipping to get some char. And just about nearly 100% cooked is fine. Then we add some water and season with 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sweet black soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon palm sugar. And this way our pork will not be too dry. Mix it well. Once the water starts to evaporate, we need to keep an eye on it because the sugar will burn quickly, and instead of sweet, it can turn bitter. Keep stirring until it's caramelizing. Don't need to make it too thick, it will be a little thicker when it cools down a bit. And now we can rest the pork in a small bowl. And moving on to the last part, the condiments, which has no fixed amount, just a little bit of everything. Okay, we need a couple of eggs, long green beans, shallots, fresh chilies can be jinda or bird's chilies, Chinese sausages or lapchung, a lime, dried shrimp, this one is optional, and sour mango. If you can't find sour mango, you can use pineapple, green apple, star fruit, or any sour fruit instead. Now chop the long green beans and fresh chilies into small pieces. And if the fresh chilies are too spicy for you, you can use any mild or spicy peppers. For sour mango, we can either shred or slice thinly, then julienne it. Slice the Chinese sausages thinly. Some people fry Chinese sausages with vegetable oil. For me, I love cooking it in water because they already contains the fat. Once the water evaporates, the fat will come out and kind of cook itself. This way they are still moist and not too oily. And these sausages will be burnt quite quickly, so keep an eye on it. Once we see some light char, we are good. For the dried shrimp, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and fry until crispy. Now we're going to make the sliced omelette, so beat a couple of eggs. Add some vegetable oil. We want thin omelette here. Rest and let it cool down a bit, then we can roll and slice. Now just assemble everything together. And I almost forgot the dried shrimp. We want to squeeze some lime juice here for the freshness. And we can either add a little bit of everything into 1 spoon and eat, or toss everything together like this, which is what we're supposed to do. So good. That bite was packed with all the flavors in one. Salty, sweet, spicy, sour, umami, everything. So good. I hope this recipe is on your list to try. If you like it, please leave the thumb up. Subscribe and check out more Thai recipes on my channel. And see you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ